Tonight we are starting the decoration of Aquila. So on our last RV, we had the camping rules up on the wall, and I just loved them so much that I had to buy them again to post on the wall here in the RV. So I figured that this would be a perfect place to put the camping rules because it's a big wall here, and also we don't really want to put anything on the wall that's really going to stick out too far, because if you're walking by, you know, you might, your shoulder might hit it, or if you're opening the door and trying to go around, you might end up knocking it down. So I just thought we need something here, and so I thought this would be perfect. Having the wall decal will be perfect here. So here we go. And if you like this decal, I'll leave the link below where we got it, which is Amazon.
So Allie's going over the final touches here, squeegeeing out the letters as we've got them stuck to the wall. There was a little bit of cussing and fussing going on. It's a good thing we were on time lapse. We couldn't hear it. This will test.
Oh my gosh!
Doing something like this
will test your marriage.
It will test your marriage and your relationship. Just saying. For sure.
I would say this is even more than backing your trailer in.
Oh, by far. By far.
So if you have a problem with backing your trailer in with your mate,
don't do this.
Don't do this.
We're hoping that everything comes out okay. We may have a wrinkle here or there. Hopefully it's I
don't know why we had harder time on this than we did on the last time, but
because we're older and our patience is better.
Maybe. Well, we have our finished product. We are so excited that it turned out nice. I was a little scared at one point. We had a couple of wrinkles as we were going down with it. You just have to be very patient. I would say that's probably the _1 key to doing this, is you have to be patient.
And be willing to hear your partner cuss at you.
But yeah, it's so cute. I just loved it. When we had this in Patchouli, our last RV, I just told Chuck, I said, we've got to get it again because it's just the cutest little camping rules. So like I said, we'll put it down below. Amazon.
Yeah, and we're
gonna, about what, $33, something like that. $35.
Yeah, you want to tell them some of the plans we got for
so I bought a cute little picture to put above here, and then also over on this side, and then above the bed we're gonna do another wall decal, and it's gonna say "Always kiss me goodnight" because I love that phrase. I think it's just so cute.
Yep.
Put our TV here. So this room will be done. Order those. Couple pictures should be coming in from Amazon, and then in the living room.
Of course, the slide's in now, so you can't really see, but above the slide header.
But we bought, or we're going to buy another wall decal. It's going to say, home is where you park it.
Yeah.
So waiting for that to come in. Or we haven't ordered that yet. I have to do that. And then there were a couple little spots over the sofa that I saw a couple cute little pictures that I wanted to put up.
Like right in here?
Yeah,
like
they're
right
just, they're about this big. So I thought just a cute, it's just kind of empty, and so it's just like little squares, but they're, one's like a heart, it has a cute saying. The other one that has dandelions, and it has a cute saying. So wait for those to come in the mail. And
slowly but surely.
Slowly but surely, we're making it at home.
Yeah, we're making it putting our stamp on it, as they say.
Yep.
Well, this is one of the things that we love doing. We collected the stickers, and we would, and instead of sticking them on the RV like most people would do, because we got to be different, we got this, or Allie picked up this decorative board thing. I don't know what you call it, but we're going to hang it up in here. We're going to place it somewhere in this general area. As you walk in, it's in the hallway. We're going to try to pick up another one of these boards so we can keep adding to it, because as you can see, we got quite a few stickers on here already.
And we want to put one below it now.
Yeah. And this one here, I don't know how this one ended up on there, but it really messed up everything. Look at it. Shrag. No. And yeah, so we're going to get another one. Probably put it like here. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't know. But I'm gonna, you know, I've kind of measured out the center here. It doesn't have to be, I don't think, 100% square, because you're not gonna be able to stand far enough back from it to know if it's, you know, 100% square. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. We got the command strips, and I'm just gonna peel these off.
Yeah, and I like the command strips because you don't have to end up putting holes in your walls.
Right.
And if you ever decide to sell your RV, then
yeah,
you can just take off
it down.
And the wall looks nice for the next people that buy it.
Yeah. Or if you change your mind, you want to, you know, take this down and put something else up or what have you.
Right. You don't have all these holes in the wall.
I don't like putting holes in walls, especially on the RVs if I don't have to. All right, so this is how you professionally do it. You throw this stuff like this, and you make your wife pick it up later.
Yeah, that's usually how it goes.
That's about how it goes. So basically, I'm just kind of eyeballing it to the center. I kind of know where the center is. And I'm going to set it against the wall and hope that it's right. And you have to kind of hold it for 30 seconds, right?
30 seconds.
So I'm kind of trying to apply pressure, top and bottom. We were going to do more of this weekend, but somebody, not mentioning any names, forgot to print out some pictures.
Yep.
Chuck. So we had a couple more things that we were going to do.
Yeah, I've got a really cute wall decor with a bunch of little picture frames all in one, and then it's got a marquee in the center where you can put different letters to say different things. And
a lot of these stickers are starting to come loose a little bit.
I know, it's the humidity in Florida.
We decided after that shot of tequila that we could hang one more. We had one more to hang. So
oh gosh, no.
I'm gonna hang this one right
No.
here. What?
The deer's upside down.
That's not the way it goes.
No.
That way?
No.
That way?
No. Would you stop it, turd? Yes.
Maybe doing the shots of tequila before doing this was not such a good idea.
All right.
So I'm going to hang this one right in about in this area here. Look good?
Well, do we need to measure it first?
Ah, who needs to measure? I like eyeballing things. I was raised in Indiana on a farm, very rural. We couldn't afford tape measures.
Shut up.
Tape measures were something the rich people had. We didn't have those luxuries. So my dad taught me to eyeball things. And
I think that's too high. Bring it down. There you go.
see, eyeballing it. Ready? Ready? Look good?
I don't know. I'm trusting you.
It looks pretty good to me. Here we go. Ready? If it ain't good, I blame Allie, because I asked her to get me a tape measure. She wouldn't do it.
Would you stop? You did not. Yes, that looks good.
See?
Okay.
Okay. So to put this debate to bed, whether I can eyeball things just as good without a tape measure, we got our tape measure. I did not tamper with this. So I'm measuring, right? 7 7/8, or 7 3/4. 7 3/4.
Wow.
Now on this side, I'm going to go upside down because I need to get in this side. 8 and 8. So just eyeballing this, I'm only off 1/8 of an inch to the left of being completely centered between the shower enclosure and the wall. I'm that good.
Good morning, guys. We are in Aquila. This is our second trip. We're back at Colt Creek State Park, and we are getting ready to go for a bike ride.
Got Nikki's bike trailer.
Yeah, we're all ready to go. So we got the bike rack on the back of the RV now, and Chuck got the bikes all loaded for this trip, so we're really excited to be able to use our bikes this time.
Are you ready to go, Nick? Hey, Nikki. Okay. Mommy's going to meet us on the other side. You ready? Well, I found our first kind of serious issue with the RV. Not that serious, But this cabinet, the hinge has come loose in here. And there it is. So I'm going to have to do some working to fix that. So I just kind of hammered it back up into the holes there for now. I'm probably going to get a little bit of wood glue. And when I get home and pull that back out and put a little wood glue up in there and then squeeze it back in. So that's the first, one of the first little things we've seen, but knock on wood. Knock on wood. If that's the worst that we have, I'll be happy. Anything that I can fix myself, I'll be happy. Let's put it that way. I don't want any major things that we have to take it back in and drop it off for service. So one other little thing, it's really minor, that we've noticed, that because when the slide runs out and drops down in, that the slide itself is runs downhill just a hair. So I want to take this table loose and shim it up a little bit so that the table is sitting level. Like I said, it's a minor little thing. The rest of the trailer is all level, and I would like for the table to be level too. Little things that we're finding and we're discovering as we are, second trip in it. I'm sure we'll find more things yet to come. Okay, so this didn't work out the way I hoped it would work out for calling our bikes. This is just too close, and basically the handle of the bicycle ended up rubbing right here. I think that's going to come off. I hope it comes off. It's not that bad of a thing, but so I bought an extension for the hitch here, and I'm going to bring it out. It should bring it out about that much more, so I should be out about here. So I'm going to go ahead and install that now and see if that doesn't do the trick and getting the bicycles a little further away from the back of the RV. Okay, so I've got to put back together. This is extended it probably 5 to 6 inches. I would say whatever this hole is to this hole is what it's extended. I got to get a different bolt for here, but for now it'll do okay for tonight for me to test it out. Tomorrow I'll buy the proper. And I just want to put the bike up here real quick and see if it's giving me any more clearance. Okay, so I think that's going to work. It's basically given me just the amount of space I need to keep it from hitting into the back of the RV. I've actually shook these and tried to make them hit, and they're not coming close now. So hey guys, I guess we're going to wrap up this video. We had a great second trip with Aquila. Really enjoyed it. Really short too. But next weekend we get to do a little bit longer trip, as Allie has Monday off. So we're going to spend Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night. Come home Monday, and we're going to a new campground for us, a new state park, and it is
Wikiwa.
I'm not sure how you pronounce it exactly. It looks like Wickawa Springs, but we will really be looking forward to that. And hopefully we have some warm weather like we're having right now. We can actually maybe get in the springs and do some kayaking. We did really enjoy having our bikes with us this time, so that's I knew we would. And even though we didn't use them a ton, it's just nice to have them when you do want to take a little ride. So we're happy about that.
Yeah, overall it was a great weekend.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to see you guys next week. If you're newer here, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Allie.
And we are AlliChuck Adventures. We would love it if you would just hit that subscribe button down below. Subscribe to our channel.
And ring that bell notification so you can follow us on our journey.
Yep. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up down below too. All right, we'll see you.